Now another things we are now planning to work in Mumbai side western region also. So we are working as a detailed design for the Kanipur also. That is another milestone which will be undergoing construction.
So, Amberg Engineering has been a leader in underground design and construction for the last 50 years. So, can you please provide an overview of your company and its evolution and its journey so far?
Okay, thank you very much for invitations. Basically, Amberg is a group of company. Amberg was founded in 1966 by Dr. Rudolf Amberg with a vision to do services in underground engineering. From that point of time, we started different verticals within Amberg Group. And the first thing was started in like 1970 when we developed our own Hagerberg test laboratory. It is a VSH. It is in Switzerland. It's around 5 kilometers of own underground infrastructures where we give facility for the concrete testings. People have informations there. They can do experimentation there. And then in 1981 we started to develop our own products also, like in the vertical of Amber technology, where we provided some solution for the underground construction works. And then 1983 we started with engineering works, because engineering is a specialized engineering design and project management company. We are specially for the underground construction works. And then from that point of times, depending upon the needs of the markets, depending upon the need of the underground construction, we develop various other verticals also within Amberg Group. And these are like Amberg Infocon, which is we have like a set of architects there. We are working in like globally in Middle East also. And then Amberg Logle is a logistic company, and then Amberg Infra 7Ds also. So totally we have 6 verticals at point of now. And regarding the milestone, if you talk about the milestone, we achieve our first milestone because we was the lead designer in the Godard Base Tunnel, Switzerland. It was the longest rail tunnel since 55 kilometers. We were the lead designer there, and now we are also associated with the ongoing construction works of Berner Base Tunnel in Austria. This is another biggest rail tunnel, 65 kilometers. We started our engineering office in India in 2011, and from that point of time we also achieved various milestones here in India also, like we associated detailed design for the Agra metro. For this we have underground metro station in like Taj Mahals, and there are two more, and others are under constructions. We are also associated with this Mumbai Metro Phase 3 lines and various DPR projects also. And now another things we are now planning to work in Mumbai side western region also. So we are working as a detailed design for the Thane Borivali also. That is another milestone which will be undergoing construction soon. So that is all about Amberg and Amberg evolution milestone achieves.
That's a lot to hear. Thank you so much. And Amberg Engineering has designed metro lines in more than 10 cities across 3 continents, which is really significant to note. And what are the unique challenges of metro projects compared to other types of underground construction?
Uh, you see, challenges. You see, every project have its own challenges, and you cannot compare the challenges of urban tunnelings with the mountain tunnelings, because I feel like challenges is different in each projects. And one of the biggest challenge in urban tunneling is that the things get very rapidly. It doesn't give you time. So because we are working in shallow area, sometimes you are working like in a shallow area of within 10 meters of overburden, and you are going to pass from some heritage buildings. So you have to be very precise on the design monitorings. So that is a very big challenge for us. And then another challenge can be that once you are working in nearby shallow water tables, you may have some close, you may have some aquifers also, which can create a challenge, which can have collapse of the buildings also. So this is also challenge we face sometime. And then another challenge can be like to build the underground metro station, because in the soil it is difficult. It is possible, but it is also a challenge. So from my point of time, if you think my view, I feel like you cannot compare the challenge of metro shallow tunnels or urban tunnels with the mountain tunnels. I feel challenges is different in both case. Each project have own challenges.
So the approach would also be
Approach, you see, the
different.
approach can be different. In urban tunneling you have different approach, because things go very fastly, but in mountain tunnels you may have different, like squeezing condition, because the covers you are working sometime 1000 meters, you have different challenge. So you may have more issues. But another
Safety
issue,
perspective is
safety
also.
perspective is also different. So we are trying to help the tunnel industry with the help of our instruments also, like tunnel seismic prediction. So we are trying to promote our system also, that if we use such type of, it's not like only you use TSP, you can use any technology which can help you predict the informations. So you have to minimize the challenges and then build a safer. I think safety should be the first prior
So you
things.
also make those equipments required for making these underground tunnels, or you just procure it?
Yo, you see, we do manufacturing of the instrument also is in the vertical of Amberg technology. We do manufacturing of the railway instrument. We have the rail trolley like a GRP system, which measure the track environment, geometries, all the informations, and then we have a tunnel survey system also, which do the scanning of the tunnels like shortcuts after the shortcuts. And now with geophysical systems we do prediction during the construction, which help us to know the geological surprises, because geological surprises always surprises. If you have surprises, then you will in problem. If you know the surprises, then you can plan at timely. And then we do some customized services also, we do some monitoring also. So all these things we do manufacturing, so it is our own patent product.
And so, what are the future trends in underground construction? You might have identified a lot of trends. So, if you can talk about it, and how does Amberg Engineering position itself in the leadership in this tunnel construction in the metro sector?
You see, the future trends is always like the future is underground, I think, because of the uh, rapid urbanization making lots of problems, like you may have traffic congestions. And many cities in the country, they are now entirely depending upon the auto transports also. And then the solution can be that you have to go undergrounds. So you have to build more underground projects. And if you see the past few years records also, the growth in the underground construction projects are more. And according to some statistics, there is a statistic that in next 5 years, more than 3,600 kilometers tunneling is in pipelines also. It can be rail, it can be metro, or it can be irrigation projects. And if you think about the Mumbai area, western region, Mumbai is trying to build their water supply tunnels, not the shallow tunnels. They are trying to build the water supply tunnels up to a depth of 100 meters. And then all these projects are getting booms. And Amberg, as a engineering consultant company, we think that we are expertise, and we think that we have the instruments also, and we can try to get involved in all these underground construction projects. And if our solutions, our expertise can help us to build the nations, and then with all these trends, maybe we can achieve Viksit Bharat up to 2047 also. So that is our aim. Like we want to go more in undergrounds. We want to develop more technology regarding underground. So that is our future trends.
What are the sites that you might have done in the in your recent projects, maybe in the railways or in the metros, or if some of them are operational or under construction? Yeah, if you can discuss something about that.
You see, we are working in many projects nowadays. We are associated with the Rishikesh Karnaprayag projects. Uh, there we are using our products, tunnel TSP system in all packages from 1 to 9. So TSP is using there. And in Sivok Rangpo also the system is being used there. And Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla rail also. And Sivok Rangpo we also providing as a design consultant work also. And we are also providing in Thane Borivali as a design consultants. And so all these things and in Agra Metro, Ahmedabad Metro, Mumbai Metro. So we have various projects and we are working with various verticals also.
Can you share your views on the proposed railway budget? The allocation has been done in the to the railways, and yeah. So what is the how do you foresee this budget and how it would make a impact on the railway industry?
Yeah, it's a quite difficult question, I think. And what I heard last day is like the budget, if you compare the budget of this year with the last year, and there is information like the government has increased their budget in the railway industry,
It is
especially
more than 2 lakh crore
2 lakh
given to
crores.
the
So,
railways, and the
so
rolling stock has been given a lot of
yeah, so
package.
so because of all these more emphasis on the railway industry, I think we will get more modernization in the railway, and the transportation's activity will be increased, and the more underground projects will come, where it can be like irrigations, water supply projects. So I think it's a good initiative by the government, and we think like being an engineering consulting company also, it's a good opportunity for us also. Like when the government is trying to emphasize giving more budget on the railway industry, so everybody will be get benefit, and I think it's a good step by the government that to reach this level of developed country. This is because infrastructure is the backbone of any country. So if you are working on that angle, I think the things can be achieved faster.
Now, the last question would be: can you, if you can share your views about this event, and a few words of encouragement to share for the team of Rail Analysis? It would be really great to hear from you.
Yeah, first of all, it's a great event, and we really enjoy here. And the management is quite good, and we found that the participants, the presentation here, it's quite informative here, and like about the rolling stocks regarding the electromechanical things also. And we found like it's quite informative for us, and we learn a lot from your event. And there is one more thing like we are here to promote our product also, because our product like rail system, geophysical system, and I think these products also can give benefit to the tunnel industry also. So mm, so it's a great event and win-win situation for both of us, I think. So so we get benefit, and maybe the industry will also get benefit from such type of platform.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.